Okay, see how my hand is already in the net and I'm wrapping my curlers like this? That can give you curls like this and even this from the back. So let me show you how it's done. Just like when we use cozy curlers normally, we're going to spray our hair with water to get it a little bit damp. Next, we're going to brush it so it's nice and smooth. I have it up near the top. I'm going to open up that elastic with both hands, and it's already over my hand at this point, and I grab hold of the foam. I put it behind my hair and I start wrapping it down, spiraling my hair around the curler, and then when I get to the bottom, I'm just going to fold it into a ball, and that way I have hold of the entire curler in my hair with one hand. I'm going to use the other hand to pull the net over the top, just like that. And now it is there, it's secure. It's at the top of my head, so that way if I lay on my side, it won't be pushing into my head at all. So this is a good spot for me to place it for nighttime sleeping or during the day. If you want to make it more secure, you can go through and wrap that net around it twice, but honestly, you probably don't need to do that unless you're a really crazy sleeper. Next, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the next two. So I skipped the one in the center because the video was really blurry and my arm blocked the whole thing, so it was kind of pointless. So here's the next one, same thing that we did before, just pulling that net over the top and putting it there. So we'll do that on the other side. Now I'm not wrapping my bangs in with this one because my bangs are a little bit moody right now, so I'm just going to clip them to the other side so they don't get in the way. And then I'm spraying that side of my hair, making sure it's nice and damp. Open up the net again, grab hold of the curler, and spiral my hair around again. And this has been sped up just a little bit to save time, but that way you can still see the process. I'm wrapping it high, grab hold of the hair in the curler, and pull the net over the top. Again, spray, brush, and grab hold of that curler after your hand's in the net. Roll the hair around, fold it into a circle once you're done, grab hold of the hair again, and pull the net over. Last one, spray the hair, brush it, same process as before. From this angle, you can tell that I've divided my hair into 3 equal sections on each side, which is what helps me get a more consistent curl throughout my hair. So here is another view, there's 6 curlers total and 3 on each side. Okay, so we're gonna take it out. Again, this part's a little bit sped up just to save time, but the process is all there. So just unravel them, take your time, don't try to yank them out. Just let it go and then flip it around so that way the curls are facing the right direction. As I unravel these, I am going to just flip them so that way they're facing the right direction, but I'm not going to go through with my fingers yet or with a brush to separate them. I want to be able to spray them with a little bit of hairspray before I start separating the curls and getting them a little bit fluffier. So that's why I am just focusing on taking them out and then turning them so they are going away from my face. That way I can spray some hairspray on, give it a little run through my roots, a little flip, and then I have these beautiful big heatless curls that were super easy to do and didn't take hardly any time at all. Thanks for watching. Bye.